welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Peace Karma. Okay, it's been a while I posted. Okay, so today I'm gonna be doing more of a sit down video, a story video instead, a sit down story video. Yeah, so today I'm gonna be telling you all why I went from permed hair to natural hair. I've actually been postponing this video. Yeah, if you watch my last video, I said I was going to make a video detailing why I went natural. So here is the video. So if you want to know why I went natural and what helped me go natural, so just stick around and watch this video from the beginning to the end. So see you all. So the reason why I stopped using relaxers on my hair, like I said, I was using relaxer for a while, like for some years. At first, from time to time, my hair takes a certain tone. Like my hair has this pattern of every 3 to 4 years, it begins to shed. And when it begins to shed, it sheds uncontrollably, such that my shoulder length hair will become very, very short later on. So I tried using various hair relaxers. I used various types from time to time, not really all the time. Whenever I see my hair is shedding, I really didn't pay attention to my hair then. Whenever I see my hair is shedding, I think, oh, it's this particular relaxer, then I'll move on to the next relaxer. And all that wasn't healthy. So at the point, I wanted to cut my hair all through, and I was like, I'm done with going on long hair, okay? So I decided to make a research. Now, there is something about my hair I want to put out there. I have a very coarse hair, okay? My hair is really very coarse. When I use relaxers, I don't use the regular type. I use the super. In every relaxer I use, I try to use the super type of it, and that is really for coarse hair, not for the medium textured hairs. Usually for the coarse hair I use the relaxer. They are relaxers which I use. So I have been doing that back and forth, and it was like I was really getting no results. So at a point, I was just tired of my hair on itself. So what I do, I'll actually just plait it, or sometimes I'll just use wigs on it rather. So, but when friends see my hair, they all think, oh, Peace, your hair is long. Peace, your hair is shoulder length. I wish my hair can be as long as your hair. Okay, so these were the comments I get. But one thing they don't know is I was actually battling with shedding of my hair. Like my hair was actually shedding, it was breaking. It wasn't growing the way I wanted it. Then my hair doesn't grow past my shoulder length, my neck, my shoulder length. My hair doesn't grow past that. Yet people will see, they will compliment me that my hair is beautiful, my hair is this, my hair is that. Now, let me tell you all, before I started using relaxers on my hair, I was actually natural. Yeah, I was natural hair for like a year. And that was in the year 2009 to 2010. So for 1 year, I was on natural hair. I wasn't using relaxers by then. So due to the fact that I have a very coarse hair, and there was no much information on how to care for the natural hair as it is now. There was no much information back then. So I actually found it difficult. It was a huge struggle taking care of my natural hair. I really don't lose my hair down back then. As I'm plaiting it, the next I'm going to lose it. I'm losing it at the salon, I'm washing it, and I'm making another one instantly. Yeah, like instantly. I don't leave my hair down, like I don't take down my hair for more than 3 hours. Okay, this is because my hair is really coarse, like I said, and once air gets into it or water, it becomes so shrinked and difficult to comb. So this was actually what I was battling with while I was on natural hair for that 1 year. So when I saw I couldn't cope anymore, and I didn't have the information I have now, I didn't have those information back then. So what I did was I got a relaxer and I applied the relaxer on my hair myself. I did it myself then because of the struggles of using the struggles of going on the natural hair. It wasn't easy. So that was why I decided to go on permed hair. I decided to use relaxer on my hair. And since when I started using relaxer, since that I applied the relaxer on my hair. After I started applying the relaxer, like I said, then within some years the hair begins to break and becomes difficult to manage. So sometime 2019, my hair began to take that same turn of breaking and shedding. So I decided to leave it and not put relaxer on it. Then I didn't know what to do to my hair at that time. I just left it. I was just doing my normal braids and normal fixing and all of that. While my hair was already getting due for the next relaxer because I was tired. I didn't know what to do. So it was then I decided I was going to make research on how to take proper care of my hair. So then I started making research on Google, on YouTube. I checked so many YouTube videos on how to care for the hair in a better way and how to actually care the hair even while you're on relaxer. Because then I saw everyone was going natural, but I knew I was once in that natural gang back then, and I knew I couldn't cope with it. I knew I couldn't maintain my hair. So even when everybody was going natural, I decided not to go natural because then it is not actually them or they who I'm trying to imitate who's going to take good care of my hair. It is me who is going to be stuck with the hair. So I decided not to go natural back then because to me, I didn't know how to care for the hair because I have once experienced it. So what I did was I began to make more research on how to take good care of my hair. Then I saw a particular Instagram page that talks about Texlaxin. Then I've never heard of Texlaxin, so I checked through her pages. I checked more on YouTube. I checked on Google to find out what Texlaxin meant. Then I found out Texlaxin is a particular way you retouch your hair, but you are not going to leave your hair to be totally relaxed. Like it's a way of leaving your hair half relaxed, if I call it that way. It's not going to be bone straight relaxed. So, and from that particular page on IG, I realized that there's a particular way you do it with oils. So when I checked that, I also checked of natural things, natural ingredients to use in taking care of the hair as well. So all these were the information I gathered, and then when I gathered and I tried to implement them on my hair then. So I was implementing those oils and those treatments and all of that. Then, meanwhile, mind you, my hair was already very due. Like it was actually difficult to put a comb through my hair at this point. So sometime in 2020, last year, before the lockdown here in Nigeria, so I decided I was going to try this Texlaxin style since I have not done it before. Okay, then at this point I decided I wasn't going to go to the salon to do this because another reason why my hair was breaking, or another contributing factor to my hair breakage, was that I was going to the salon, which do not put into consideration the health of your hair. They were just after the style you want to make. They don't care if they are pulling on your hair while combing it or while washing it and any of that. So I realized that whenever I go to that salon, my hair breaks off. Actually, that salon and many other salons around me. So because of that, when I decided to go to Texlax my hair, I said I wasn't going to go to the salon. So I actually called a friend of mine who makes hair. So I told her, this is what I want to do to my hair. I want to try this Texlaxin method. So I told her everything on how to apply it, because I actually read up on how to apply this this relaxer to achieve this Texlaxin result. So I gave her the information. I told her how to mix the relaxer with the oils and all of that. So we did it, but at the end of it all, I didn't like the results I got. So it was at that point in time, I was like, okay, enough is enough. I'm not going to continue using these relaxers on my hair. So I decided to grow my hair out since I had already applied this relaxer and the Texlax style. So I decided just to let my hair grow out again. So at this point, I was just basically maintaining my hair by incorporating all the information I got through my research. So I decided to incorporate all into my hair, each step at a time. So with time, I saw results. Okay, I saw results. Then I was like, there is no point me getting all of this information and still using it on this permed hair or using it on relaxed hair. So I decided to cool my hair out, and at that point I said I was going to become natural, or I was going to turn my hair into its natural texture back. So now, what's my point for this? So many of us, or so many people I know of, they decided to go natural because the world was going natural, because their friends here, their mom, their dad, their siblings are all going natural, so they all decide that they also want to go natural. But that was not my case. So before I do anything, I make research first. Something about me is that I don't do things because other people are doing it. I do things that I can continue with, something that I can do. So I think every other person should be able to do that. So if you want to go natural, you need to make your research. You need to find out how you can be able to maintain that hair and also make it thrive. Okay, like I said, some of the people I know who were once natural, most of them have come back to using those relaxers. They stopped. This is because they didn't really search for the right information. They didn't study. They didn't make research on how to take proper care of their natural hair. So this is what I was saying. Like I said, I had been there once and I couldn't continue with it. So I turned to using relaxers on my hair. So I didn't want to make that same mistake again. That was why I went in to make the research. So what's the point here? Before you do anything, especially when it comes to your hair, you need to make research. You need to get more knowledge and information about that very hair or that very thing you want to do. It is very, very important, so you won't get it all wrong and regret later. So that was what I did. I made my research and I learned how to use oils. I know what kind of texture my hair is. Like as it is now, my hair is the 4C hair. So I've known some I've already also made research on hairstyles to boost my hair growth, and also things I use, how to mix these things and in the right proportion to use them. There are so many things research I make, and there are so many mistakes too we make on our hair, especially the detangling part. So many people make a lot of mistakes when it comes to detangling the hair. Also, I want to get it out there. If you're looking to grow your hair, I would advise not to go to any salon you come across, okay? Because majority of these stylists in these salons, they really don't care about the health of your hair. What they're after is just to give you the style you want, get their money, and off they go to another customer. They're not really looking after the health of your hair. So if you really want to grow your hair, like if you've set a certain goal or length you want your hair to get to, please avoid going to the salons, because the salons are going to rip off your hair. They're actually going to they are going to make you regret your decisions. Okay, they are actually going to break that goal or break that plan, destroy that plan you have of getting the long hair. So for over a year now, I haven't stepped to the salon. I learned to do everything myself. So if you're actually looking to grow your hair, you need to get a good salon. If you want to go to a salon, you need to get a good salon that cares about the health of your hair. That is more important. Yes, it is actually important to get a good salon, a good stylist that actually looks after the health of your hair. So that being said, that was actually the driving force behind me going natural, as my hair wasn't thriving. So I needed something new, and I searched for how to take good care of my hair and also maintain that goal. So that is why I'm here today. So I hope you all learned one or two things from this video, and I hope you're inspired. If you're looking to go natural, or if you're looking to take better care of your health, I hope you learned one or two things from this video. Thanks for watching. So see you all in my next video. Bye.